In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflow rules with immediate and time-dependent actions in Salesforce. Salesforce workflow rules are a powerful tool to automate actions, allowing you to streamline processes and improve efficiency. Let's dive into how you can set these up. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Setup gear icon. Click on it, and this will open up a wide array of configuration options available in Salesforce. In the Setup area, there's a handy Quick Find bar. Use this to search for workflow rules. Once the results appear, click on New Rule to begin creating your workflow. Next, you'll be prompted to select an object. This is the first step in determining when and how your workflow will trigger. For instance, let's say you want the workflow to act on opportunities. Simply select Opportunity from the list and then hit Next to proceed. Now, it's time to define the rule criteria. This is where you specify the conditions that must be met for the rule to be triggered. Salesforce offers a range of customizable options here, so think about the particular situations in which you want to automate actions. For example, you might want the rule to trigger when an opportunity reaches a certain stage or amount. Once you've defined your criteria, it's time to add immediate actions. These are actions that happen as soon as your rule is triggered. These could be anything from sending an email alert, updating a field, or assigning a task. Immediate actions are great for ensuring that important updates or notifications happen right away and don't fall through the cracks. Now let's talk about time-dependent actions. These actions are slightly different and occur after a specified time elapses since the rule criteria are met. Click to add a time-dependent action, and you'll set a time trigger. For example, maybe you want the action to occur 7 days before the close date of an opportunity. After setting your trigger time, you then select your desired action. This could range from sending a reminder email to creating a follow-up task. With both immediate and time-dependent actions set, you've created a dynamic workflow rule that kicks off the moment your criteria are met and also tracks time-sensitive tasks without manual intervention. Finally, don't forget to activate your workflow rule. Until you activate it, Salesforce will not execute the rule, so be sure to click Activate once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with how it's set up. And there you have it. Your workflow rule, equipped with both immediate and time-dependent actions, is now ready to enhance your Salesforce processes, saving you time and reducing manual workloads. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and happy automating.